Samsung is gearing up for the launch of the Galaxy S26 series, and this time, the changes might be bigger than just another spec bump. For years, the Galaxy S lineup has been the heart of Samsung's premium smartphones. It started with just a single model, then became a duo with the Plus variant, and eventually expanded into a trio with the mighty Ultra. Each one carved out its own space, whether it was affordability, balance, or full-blown flagship power. But now, things might be shifting. Earlier this year, Samsung tested the waters with something new, the Galaxy S25 Edge. That phone came out just 3 months after the regular Galaxy S25 lineup and positioned itself as a slimmer, lightweight alternative to the Ultra. It looked almost identical to the Ultra, but sacrificed battery life and some camera hardware to achieve that ultra-slim design. While it wasn't meant to be the best of the best, it showed that Samsung wanted to experiment with new names and new concepts for the Galaxy S series. Now, leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge wasn't just a one-off. It could actually have a successor with the S26 lineup, bringing a thinner design, a bit more battery, and a fresh look. And that's not the only twist. Rumors are pointing to a brand new Galaxy S26 Pro model as well. If true, that would be a first in the S series history. Samsung has never had a Pro phone in its Galaxy S class. But here's where it gets complicated. If Samsung really brings out both the Edge and the Pro, then we might have to say goodbye to the standard Galaxy S model, and even the Plus. Think about it. Samsung could shift its entire lineup so that the S26 Pro becomes the entry device, the S26 Edge takes over the role of a slimmer premium option, and the Ultra remains the powerhouse. That would be the revamp, the shakeup that people have been whispering about for months. On paper, that sounds exciting. But in reality, things aren't so simple. Reports coming from Korea say Samsung's top brass isn't happy with how the Galaxy S25 Edge performed. Its sales were underwhelming, and many buyers preferred the Galaxy S25 Plus instead. The Plus was more balanced, offering better battery, better performance, and overall more value than the slimmed-down Edge. So now Samsung is reportedly considering bringing back the Galaxy S26 Plus after all. That means we could end up with a lineup that's bigger than ever. Instead of Samsung killing off models, it might actually add new ones. Imagine it. Galaxy S26 Pro, S26 Edge, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, all releasing side by side. That's 4 different flavors of the same flagship family. It could be Samsung's way of covering every corner of the market. But here's the question, will it really be a revamp or just a name shuffle? Because based on the leaks so far, the changes might not be revolutionary. The specs don't sound too different from what we've already seen. Same kind of chipsets, similar displays, cameras that are more evolutionary than groundbreaking. What might actually feel new is the naming scheme and how Samsung positions each phone. Still, the addition of a Pro model could be enough to get people talking. A Galaxy S26 Pro could easily slot in as that perfect middle ground, appealing to buyers who don't want to go all in on the Ultra but still want something more premium than the base model. The Edge, meanwhile, would appeal to those who want a stylish, lightweight phone without caring too much about top-tier hardware. So, what we're seeing is Samsung at a crossroads. On one hand, it wants to refresh the lineup with bold new names. On the other, it doesn't want to alienate loyal buyers who still prefer the Plus model. That's why the leaks keep flipping back and forth. Will Samsung kill the Plus or bring it back? Will the Edge stick around or disappear quietly? What's clear is that Samsung is preparing for a shakeup with the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. The company hasn't made anything official yet, but CAD renders and early leaks point to significant design changes. Whether those changes translate into real excitement for buyers or just confusion over names remains to be seen. At the end of the day, Samsung doesn't just need to release new phones, it needs a breakthrough. The smartphone market is more competitive than ever, with Apple, Google, and Chinese brands closing in fast. A revamp could help Samsung stand out again, but only if it delivers more than just renamed models. So here's the bottom line. If Samsung keeps the Plus, adds the Pro, and keeps the Edge and Ultra, the Galaxy S26 family might become the biggest and most diverse S-series lineup ever. But if it drops the Plus and focuses on the new Pro and Edge strategy, then we're looking at a real identity shift for the Galaxy S series. Either way, 2026 is shaping up to be a turning point. The only thing left now is the big reveal. Samsung will officially announce the Galaxy S26 lineup in early 2026. Until then, the only thing we can do is keep watching the leaks and wait to see if this revamp is a true revolution or just a clever game of musical chairs with the Galaxy S series names.